Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will study fetal membranes. To see my other embryology videos you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the playlist of embryology. So what are the fetal membranes? Basically there are four fetal membranes. First one is allantois. So actually what is allantois? So we saw that there is a secondary yolk sac. This is secondary yolk sac. It invaginates the connecting stalk. This is connecting stalk. It invaginates the connecting stalk, and that's how this allantois is formed. Then during the cephalocaudal and lateral foldings, this allantois get incorporated in the wall of hindgut, and during the second month this allantois forms the medial umbilical ligament which connects the apex of urinary bladder to the umbilicus. Then yolk sac. So basically there is primary yolk sac, then it gets converted into secondary, then tertiary yolk sac is formed. So the primary yolk sac is basically so first we will see, this is the germ disc, this is the amnioblast, this is amniotic cavity, this is the primary yolk sac. It is lined by the Husser's membrane, and this Husser membrane it develops from the cytotrophoblast. So it forms the it turns the blastocele into the primary yolk sac by forming the floor of the cavity. So basically it was firstly the blastocele, then when the Husser's membrane lines this, it becomes the primary yolk sac. Then secondary yolk sac. Then what happens is this hypoblast, this is the hypoblast layer. This hypoblast it proliferates over the Husser's membrane, and this completely lines the primary yolk sac. This in black, this is Husser's membrane, it lines the primary yolk sac which converts it into secondary yolk sac. So this is secondary yolk sac lined by the hypoblast. Then definitive yolk sac is formed. So after the folding of embryo, the secondary yolk sac will give two cavities. The intraembryonic cavity it forms the gut, and extraembryonic cavity it forms a definitive yolk sac, which are connected by vitalointestinal duct. The next is amnion. The next fetal membrane is amnion. The amnion develops. So basically here we see that the amnion develops dorsally to the germ disc and also communicates with the yolk sac for a short while, as we saw in the neurenteric canal in the video of notochord formation. If you have not seen that video, you can watch that in the playlist of embryology. So for some time the it communicates with the yolk sac. Then as you can see, this amnioblast, this line the amniotic cavity, and this one is the amniotic cavity. Here this one is the amniotic cavity. So amniotic cavity it expands greatly, and thus the somatic and visceral extraembryonic mesoderm merges. It expands very much, and it contains the amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid amniotic fluid volume increases to 1 to 1.5 liters, and then becomes constant by swallowing by the fetus, and it protects against the external trauma and keeps a constant temperature and form the antiseptic medium. So that is the functions of amniotic fluid. The next thing, if we see the umbilical cord, there is primitive umbilical cord and definitive umbilical cord. The umbilical cord it consists of structure passing through the primitive umbilical ring. So basically connecting stalk and the yolk stalk they form the umbilical cord, primitive umbilical cord. So connecting stalk include the allantois, four umbilical vessels, two arteries and two veins, and the yolk stalk which contain vitelline vessels, and umbilical hernia which contain loops of intestine. Definitive umbilical cord it is formed, most of the constraints disappear in the primitive umbilical cord, then definitive umbilical cord is formed. Only the three constraints are left: umbilical arteries, which are right and left umbilical arteries, and the left umbilical vein. So only these three are left, and there is Wharton's jelly in it, lined by the amniotic membrane. So this is the umbilical cord, and we studied all the four fetal membranes. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your medico friend.